you're ready to take your yoga practice off the mat and onto the line. Today we'll be working with Warrior 1 from one side to the other. The only difference is we'll be on a slack line, not on the ground. But before we take it to the line, let me show you what it looks like on the ground. Finding a nice Warrior 1 position, the hips are facing this direction. This direction is in front of you. Okay? Leaning into the leg, raising the arms. From there, we're going to transition to a wide leg straddle exposure. Here. And then we're going to transition towards our left to Warrior on the other side. Here. Inhaling the leg up, rotating the toes to our wide straddle exposure. Rotating the toes again to our right. Turning the hips, arms sinking into the leg. Now let's take it onto the line, but it's a little more unstable. If you haven't had a chance to have any formal instruction on Warrior 1 on the slackline, check out our SLACKROBATS tutorials. Again, trying to maintain the hips facing the anchor point. Trying to keep the knees stacked over the ankle. You can take any arm variation you like. We're going to inhale the leg straight. Rotate the toes out towards exposure for a wide straddle exposure stance. And then we're going to rotate our left toes towards the left anchor point and lunge into that left leg, finding Warrior on the other side. Again, taking the hips towards the anchor point. Inhale the leg straight. Rotate the toes to our wide leg straddle stance. And then rotating our right toes again towards the right anchor. Lunging into our knee. Squaring our hips towards that anchor. Take any arm variation you want. Remember to breathe here. Find stillness and calmness. Inhale the leg straight. Rotate the toes. Wide straddle. Rotate the toes towards the left. Lunge into your left knee. Square the hips. Take an arm variation. Inhale the leg straight. Come down. It's important to try to hold the Warrior 1 the same amount of time on both sides. 3 seconds on one side, 3 seconds on the other. You can stay in the wide straddle stance as long as you want, but make sure that you do the same amount of Warriors on both sides as well. 3 Warriors on one side, 3 Warriors on the other. This is a fun pose. It's a lot different than doing a Warrior 1 on the mat. So have fun with this, and we'd love to see your progress. So share it with us on our SLACKROBATS Instagram channel and our SLACKROBATS Facebook. Until next time, SLACKROBATS, stay strong, new Warriors.